You can start from as low as 20,000 rupees.
ओके तो फर्स्ट कलेक्शन अगर किसी को बनाना 20,000
20,000 तो बहुत ही सस्ता हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
बट अगर किसी को ज्वेलरी बनाना है और थोड़ा सा मीनिंगफुल ज्वेलरी बनाना है जिसपे आपको पैकेजिंग भी करना है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट,
हाँ.
आई वुड से कीप अ बजट अबाउट 2 lakhs.
2 lakhs.
Why 2 lakhs? बिकॉज आप सबसे पहले वेबसाइट का डोमेन खरीदोगे, वैसा डोमेन खरीदोगे, फिर अपना कंपनी को रजिस्टर करवाओगे, उसके बाद कारीगर लाओगे, कुछ इक्विपमेंट्स लाओगे, टूल्स लाओगे. The product that you're creating, that needs to be packaged really well. There needs to be a portly, there needs to be a box, there needs to be a carry bag. You know, आप थोड़ा सा branding props लाओगे, थोड़ा marketing करो. Offline is expensive because offline is also inventory heavy.
ठीक है.
Offline is also fixed cost. Here आपके पास fixed cost नहीं है, बहुत variable costs है. But फिर भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि 1 to 2 lakhs, I would say 2 lakhs should be on the safer side, because then you can, you need good photographers. If you can do photography yourself, again, like I said, there's not one rule that fits all.
Yeah.
So, but that little push helps you create something which helps you bring that product from thought to reality.
Yeah.
And then after that, when the numbers start, clocking in, then you align yourself with experts. Like one of my personal learnings has been that in 12 years of having Nimai and 12 years of being an entrepreneur, I think that Josh for learning sometimes became counterproductive for me. So for example, like when the whole e-commerce boom was happening and everybody was talking digital marketing, I wanted to study digital marketing. I started doing digital marketing also for Nimai. Then I wanted to, learn graphic design also. I started doing graphic design also for Nimai. So there were days when if I had to go for important meetings or if I had to crack important business deals, here I was sitting and doing digital marketing on my firm or creating a campaign, which I thoroughly loved and enjoyed. But now that I look back at it, you have to delegate and bring in experts where needed so that the skill set that you have, you are able to utilize it optimally. But that comes at a later stage.
Thank you for watching my clips. If you want more clips like this, please follow my channel, BS Miss India Clips.